Famous Indian car manufacturer Tata Motors is now working on a completely new SUV named as Blackbird. The SUV will be built on Tata's Omega Arc platform. The codename of the SUV is H4. Though there is no official announcement from the company yet about the launch date in India, we expect that the SUV will come to the Indian market at the end of 2021 or early 2022 at the expected price range between Rs 9 to 14 lakhs ex-showroom. After launch in the Indian market, it will have to compete against Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos and others. In terms of power, the SUV will share the same engine options from the Tata Nexon. The same BS6 contain 1199cc 1.2-liter Revoton turbocharged petrol engine which can deliver 118.36 bhp of power and 170 Nm of peak torque, and BS6 contain 1497cc 1.5-liter Revoton turbocharged diesel engine which can be able to generate 108.5 bhp of power and 260 Nm of peak torque. The car can be able to deliver the mileage of 21 kmpl. Tata may bring the electric versions of the Blackbird afterwards. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed automatic transmission. Talking about the exterior design, the SUV will get an upscale, sophisticated and sportier look. Upfront, it is expected to get sleek split LED projected headlights with LED dials at the top, a thick slat that runs across the whole front along with Tata badging at the center, black accented air inlets and updated front bumper with bumper mounted LED fog light setup. The side profile is expected to get power RPMs with indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, tinted glass, roof rail, large wheel arcs with black cladding and diamond cut multi-spoke two-tone alloy wheels. The rear profile is expected to be updated with sleek LED tail lights, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate integrated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lamps and updated rear bumper with black cladding at many places and twin chrome exhausts. In terms of interior, the SUV is expected to get the design inspirations from Harrier. The SUV is expected to be featured with airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, leather trimmed powered telescopic 3-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, new dashboard setup, fully digital cluster, 8.8-inch large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, auto dimming IR beams, Harman Kardon premium sound system, dual zone auto climate control, multi-driving modes, rear AC vents, USB charging port, wireless smartphone charging pad, push button start and stop, remote keyless entry, ambient lighting, remote trunk and fuel lid opener, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, well cushioning seats for comfortable ride with 60-40 splitting options with seat lumbar support and bigger boot space. The SUV is expected to be updated with a number of standard safety features including ABS with EBD, electric stability control, hill assist control, engine immobilizer, electronic brake force distribution, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, speed sensing auto door lock, front and rear side impact door beams, tire pressure monitoring system, speed sensing auto door lock, traction control, brake assist, multiple airbags, child protector rear door locks, seatbelt and door hazard warning system, automatic headlamps, adaptive cruise control, engine check warning system, rear parking camera with rear parking sensors. Thank you.